Unresolved, the United States and Israel war on Iran have hit an impasse.
Reports of renewed attacks by America has sent Iran restating its claim on the Strait of Hormuz, as well as possible retaliation.
This has again caused more expensive global fuel, which will be felt by the Philippines by way of another oil price hike next week. News 5's Gerard De La Peña has tonight's big story.
3 weeks of substantial rollbacks, especially for diesel, are seen to end next week. Oil industry sources projected diesel to increase by 1 to 2 pesos per liter, while gasoline will be more expensive by between 2 to 3 pesos per liter. The computation is based on mean of Platts Singapore trading and foreign exchange averages in the past 4 days. The Department of Energy on Thursday had attributed a possible increase in pump prices in the coming week to the continued weakening of the Philippine peso against the US dollar. On Thursday, the last day of April, world oil prices jumped to their highest level since 2022. Brent crude, the international benchmark, hit $126 per barrel before falling back. Brent crude was trading at $113 per barrel on Friday, May 1st. The spike in oil prices came after a report that the U.S. military is set to brief American President Donald Trump on new plans for potential action in the Iran war. Tensions remain high across the region, with seats of power Tehran, Washington, and Tel Aviv trading warnings as violence continues amid a very fragile ceasefire. Earlier, Trump had reportedly rejected Iran's proposal to reopen the Strait of Hormuz, signaling the naval blockade will remain in place until a broader nuclear agreement is reached. Then, in a post on Truth Social last Wednesday, Trump again appeared to be threatening Iran, saying the country better get its act together soon. The post was accompanied by an AI-generated picture of Trump holding a gun with explosions in the background and the words, "No more Mr. Nice Guy." The US president also said he has not ruled out restarting the war. Iran's President Masoud Pezeshkian responded by lashing out at the American naval blockade, calling the siege of Iranian ports intolerable. This back and forth has been the bane of oil prices since the war began.
Dati nang nananakot si Trump kahit bago mag-ceasefire, escalation yung tinretreten niya. At every bridge, every power plant ng Iran, tinretreten niya. Hindi niya naman tinuloy. More than a week ago, sabi niya, indefinitely ceasefire until ma-conclude yung talks with Iran. Hindi naman dumaharap yung Iran. Pwede na yung part of the negotiation tactic and strategy yon.
May 1's oil price hike numbers remain projections for next week's adjustments. The Energy Department is still monitoring global oil market movements and will wait for the final MOPS trading results before confirming the exact pricing. Recall that the DOE is currently mandating fuel price adjustments, including minimum rollbacks and maximum price increases, as part of the declared national energy emergency. Oil firms must adhere to the DOE's calculated weekly adjustments or face sanctions for non-compliance. For News 5, Gerard De La Peña, we are One News.